Care Uplift Microneedle patches are marketed as a breakthrough wellness patch that supposedly delivers ingredients directly into your body using dissolving microneedles. But the real question is, do they actually work, or is it mostly trendy patch marketing? Now, to be fair, microneedle technology itself is real. Dissolving microneedle patches are being studied in medicine and skincare because they could potentially help deliver ingredients through the skin more effectively than normal patches. What it does well, microneedle technology is legitimate. Unlike basic stickers, real microneedle patches use tiny dissolving points that penetrate the upper layer of skin, may improve ingredient absorption slightly. In theory, microneedles can help certain compounds absorb more effectively compared to ordinary topical creams. Where the hype falls apart, the results are usually heavily exaggerated. This is the biggest issue. Many wellness patch brands promise dramatic changes like rapid fat loss, major pain relief, or instant body transformation without strong evidence. The patch matters less than the ingredients. Even if the microneedles are real, that does not automatically mean the active ingredients are powerful or clinically proven. Very limited research on the actual brand. There is usually little independent clinical evidence proving the specific Care Uplift patches deliver dramatic real-world results. So, should you buy Care Uplift Microneedle patches? Short answer, maybe for mild support, but not for miracle-level results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.